Students, I welcome you all on Rishikul Online School, the best platform for providing online education to students. So again, I welcome you. Hello students, this is module number 1 and in this module we shall discuss the topic Reach for the Top Part 1 that has been written by Santosh Yadav and this topic has been taken from your book Beehive. So let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the introduction of the topic. So let's discuss. Reach for the Top Part 1 is an inspirational account of the phenomenal success and achievement of an Indian woman mountaineer Santosh Yadav, who beat all odds and prejudices to script a success story thanks to her sterling qualities of perseverance, patience, commitment, persistence, and constancy of purpose. So, students, in the next slide, we shall discuss the message of the chapter. So, let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide, we shall discuss the message of the chapter. So, let's discuss. Reach for the top conveys the message that one must set one's eyes on the stars and strive hard to achieve the goal through hard work, determination, and constant and persistent efforts. Instead of complaining against the ills in society, one can dare to change the systems and shape one's own destiny. And once one has achieved great heights, one must shoulder the responsibility to achieve success and glory in their own areas of interest, just like Santosh Yadav has done. So, students, in this slide we have come to know the message of the chapter. So, let's go to next slide and see. Students, in this slide we shall discuss the theme of the chapter. So, let's discuss. Reach for the top is based on the theme that success comes to those who dare and do. This theme runs throughout the account of Santosh Yadav's education, training, and success as a woman mountaineer in a country where discrimination against women is rampant. Santosh defied all odds, customs, traditions, and prejudices to scrape her phenomenal success through hard work, persistent effort, focus on the goal, and mental and physical toughness. Santosh has really reached the highest top that a woman mountaineer could reach, not just once but twice. She is a wonderful role model to emulate. So, students, this is the theme of the chapter. In the next slide, we shall discuss the characters. So, let's go and see. Students, in this slide, we shall discuss the characters of the story. In this story, there are two important characters. First one is Santosh Yadav and the second one Santosh Yadav's parents. So let's discuss. First of all, we shall discuss Santosh Yadav. She has been portrayed as a firm-willed, decisive, courageous, adventurous girl endowed with a rational mind and physical and mental toughness. Now, Santosh Yadav's parents, they were affluent but orthodox, conservative landlords. They liked to live according to the prevailing customs in the family, but Santosh kept getting support from her parents, which in the long run helped her reach the zenith of glory. So, in the next module, we shall discuss the story elaborately. So, wait for the next module. Keep watching the module. Thank you. Thank you.